Hello guys, welcome to CS Tech Solution. Today's is learn in SQL. And today's is learn as a delete queries. The delete statement is used to remove a once or the most record from the tables. And the importance as always is used the where's clause and then as a delete a specific record. And the without where's as all the rows in the tables will be as delete. And first is a basic delete queries as delete from as a table names and where as a conditions and semicolon, and as a give the tables as a student and the student id names age and the cities columns has to give, and three records. So, and as a deletes the student with as the student id is equal as a 2. So the query says to write as a delete from as a table name is student and where the condition as the student id is equal the 2, and semicolon. So the output is to show the in this table as a second student id's record as to delete. And second is a delete all the records, and as a delete every rows is while the keeping the table structure. So the use as a delete from as a students and semicolon where conditions is not give, so the result is as a 0 rows as remaining. And third is a delete using the where condition as a delete the student from the delete. So the as a delete from a table name is student and where as a city is equal the delete. So the city is equal the delete to find the tables, and this part this data student data has to delete. And fourth is delete using the AND operator. So the delete the record is matching multiples condition as delete from students and where as age age is greater than the 20 and city is equal the Mumbai, and both the conditions equal to is true. So the student data has delete. And fifth is delete using the OR operators as delete the record is matching either the condition, and as a delete from a student is a table names and where city is equal the Delhi or city is equal the Mumbai. Any one as condition is true, then the student data has to delete. 6 is a delete using the in operators as delete multiples as a specific record. So the delete from the table name is student and where the student id is in counts inside 1 3 and the 5. So the student id is to find and delete the student record. And seventh is delete using the between as is delete the student is those the age is between the 80 and as 22. So the 80 and 22 as between the age as a delete the student data as the delete from the student is a table name and where the age is between the 80 and as a 22. So find the table to the age is 80 and the 22 as between, and as a delete student data. 8 is a delete null values as a delete records where cities equal the null. So the find the cities values as the delete from student is a table name and where the cities is a null, and after as a table to find the cities equal the null values, and this cities is null values, so the student data is delete. And ninth is delete using the like operators as delete a student as those the names to start with a capital R. So the delete from table name is student and where the names is likes and single quotes inside the capital R and the module sign अथवा the percentage is called, and semicolon. So the R name, capital R to start names, so the student data has to delete. 10th is delete using the limit is in MySQL is delete only as one row, as a delete from as a student is a table name, and limit equal as 1 and semicolon. So the first as a one data is delete, and the delete add of first 2 is matching the row, so the delete from student and where city is equal as a Mumbai, and then as a limit equal the 2, so the find the table to the cities equal the Mumbai, and after as 2 data as delete, and 11th is a delete using the order by in MySQL. So the delete oldest student, and like delete from student is a table name, and order by is a age is the descending orders to right, and as a limit equal as a 1. So the descending orders to find the age is highest, and as a first record is delete. And 12th is delete using the subqueries, as the delete the employee with minimum salary. So the delete from employee is the table name, and where the salary is equal as a counts inside, select the mean counts the salaries and from as the employee, and counts close and the semicolon. So the table to find minimum salaries, and this employee data is delete. And 30 is delete duplicates records, as keep first record and remove duplicates. So the delete S1 and from the students as S1, and is join as a student S2 on as S1 dot names equal the S2 dot names, and as S1 dot as the student IDs is greater than the S2 dot student IDs, and semicolon. So the find the first record, and is and as both the condition as the student as names is equal as the same, and as IDs is greater than the S2, so delete the data in as remove the duplicates and the first record. Thank you guys to watch the videos. Please subscribe the channel, on the notification and bell icon.